All right, welcome everybody. Today we're going to go over where to find your referral link. So first things first, your referral link is what you send out to your prospect. So you invited someone to the platform, they're excited, they're ready to join, and you don't know how to get your referral link, right? So this is where we're going to make sure you're in the Academy portal. You're going to log into your website. Then you're going to go to your home account. This is what you should see if your account is in good status, meaning that you have paid your subscription and you are active, right? So if you are active for whatever pack, you will be able to see this screen right here. If it goes to a screen that asks you to update your account and your payment method or something like that, it's because you're currently not active. So like I mentioned in the video prior to this one, you need to make sure that you are active and that you have a calendar that's where you write down your next billing due date for both whatever packages you have. That's important so that you can avoid any confusion. Okay, so where to find your referral link, you're going to click on this home button right here. And then we're going to go down to marketing tools. Marketing tools, you'll click this little blue arrow and it's going to direct you to this page. Now you're going to see your referral link right here. This right here is my referral link. When I click on it, it's going to send me to the page that your prospect is going to be able to see when they click the link that you send them. So it's important for you to be familiar with what this looks like. I know that obviously you signed up already, so you've been through the process, but oftentimes we forget, right? So let's make sure that we are familiar. So if our prospect has any questions about what subscription they should get or anything of that nature, you are able to assist with that. So I always direct people to Elite because the value, right? You get all of these tools. It's like getting the best calculator, right? Do you want a calculator that has only the basics or do you want that scientific calculator for a test? Obviously, I want the scientific calculator. I want to be able to get the most money and I want to get the most value for my buck. So the Elite Academy is going to give me access to all three of these platforms. And so I am saving a lot. And at the end of the day, it's all the tools that I want. So that is what you have to be familiar with, right? What subscription to how it looks like on their end, right? So at the end of the day, it's up to them what they want to get, whatever they desire. They just want the Forex, they can just click on Forex and that tells them what their subscription is going to look like. So once they do that, they just go to continue. Right here is your independent business owner membership. I recommend that if your prospect doesn't have more than 3 people ready to sign up, that they do not get the IBO, only because that will allow them to qualify for the 2 and free, right? So if they bring 2 people into this platform, into their business, they can get a free membership, right? As long as they get 2 people that get the same package that they got. So if they got Elite, they just need 2 people that got Elite. If they got Forex, they just need 2 people that got Forex. If they got digital currency, they need 2 people that got digital currency and they will be able to qualify for 2 and free. Now, the minute that they get 3 people, they can upgrade their accounts and they need to get this IBO membership to be able to qualify for commissions. So it's important that once they get 3 people, that we as sponsors let them know, right? That once they get that 3rd person, they need to update their account to add the IBO package on there. They'll click continue and then everything else is easy, right? So that is where you find your link. Again, you go to home, then you go to marketing tools, and this is where you find your link right here. That's what you're going to send to your prospects so that they can sign up and join you in this business. So thank you guys, and subscribe if you want any more information on how to use these tools and resources to be successful in this business. Thank you guys.